अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी यानी कि AMU में एडमिशन का आपका इंतजार अब हुआ है खत्म, क्योंकि AMU ने अपने एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म निकाल दिए हैं। Through these application forms, students can apply for AMU Entrance Exam 2022 and seek admissions in its undergraduate and postgraduate courses. इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि आप AMU का फॉर्म कैसे भर सकते हैं, उसके लिए आपको किस वेबसाइट पर जाना है और एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस के सारे स्टेप्स, रजिस्ट्रेशन, फॉर्म फिलअप, कोर्स सिलेक्शन एंड फी पेमेंट। But before we go ahead, please like, share and click the bell icon to get regular updates from shiksha.com YouTube channel. Now let's fill up the form for you. First, visit the website amu.ac.in and click on the admissions link given at the top left corner of the website. Next, as the admission website of AMU, amucontrollerexam.com opens up, candidates will find the course application link in the admissions box on the main page. Click on Application Form for admission to various courses 2022-23. A new page will open up with instructions on how to fill the application form and requirements. Read the instructions very carefully. Next, click on Sign Up link given at the top right corner of your screen and a registration form will open up. Fill all the details including your name, phone number, email address, date of birth and Aadhaar number as well. Then a verification email will be sent to you to your registered email address. You will find a link in the email body. Click on that link to verify your account. After the verification, the candidates need to follow the steps to fill the application form. Step 1. Profile for filling personal particulars. You need to type in all your personal details as required in the form here. Step 2. Fill in the complete educational details as required in this step. Step 3. Photograph, signature and thumb impression to be uploaded in JPEG format and each file should be less than 200 KB. Step 4. Categories. Select No if you do not belong to any category. And now the online payment. For online payment, keep ready your net banking or debit card or credit card details with you. Step 5. This step has two components, application and payment. In the first component, you need to fill specific application details for respective courses. And in the second part, payment of test fee or processing charges are to be paid online. Step 6. If your account has been debited and the transaction is not successful, go to My Transactions and click on the refresh button to fetch the current status of the transaction. Now, one important point. Candidates can apply for different courses under one account. However, they need to pay the application fees separately for different courses. After the final payment, successful status appears on your screen. The application process thus stands completed. You can download the application form as well for your future reference. So how did you find this video? Do share your feedback in the comment section below. And please like, share and subscribe to our channel.